In this video, we're going to walk through how to move a student from one Navigator class to another. So the first thing to do is go into the class settings of the class where you have the student that needs to be moved. So I'm going to go into my 7th grade math settings by clicking on the wheel icon. And I need to move Steph Curry out of my 7th grade math class and into my 6th grade math class. So what we need to do first is remove Steph Curry from the 7th grade math class. To do that, you can press the trash icon, although we would recommend that you don't do this as it permanently removes all of the student's data. The better way to do this is just to toggle the student to inactive. So under active, if you click on the toggle, it'll switch to no. This removes the student from all of your data reports for this class, and it also takes this class off of their page. So when Steph Curry logs in, he will no longer be able to click on 7th grade math. In fact, he won't even see it. So now that we have Steph Curry removed from the 7th grade class, let's add him to the 6th grade class. To do that, click on class settings. And now we need to search for Steph Curry. To do that, we click add students. And you can search for the student by their email address or by their username. We would recommend that you search by email address as the student can change their username at any time. So I have Steph Curry's email address here. I'm going to type that in. And then I'm going to click the magnifying glass icon to search for him. Okay, and so now he's popped up. So I can see Steph Curry, I can see the email address I typed in, and his student ID number. To add him to this class, just click on the avatar or the name. We can see the avatar change to a check mark, and click the blue add button. So we can see Steph Curry has been added to this roster. We have one more thing to do before he'll be ready to start working in 6th grade math, is we just need to set the math level. So that's the student's starting point. Once you have that set, click Apply Settings, and we can see it's alphabetical now and that Steph Curry is in this roster.